Good morning! What a beautiful day! If you're wondering, no, I'm not real. I'm AI. But today, I'm taking you through my day to show you how to create your very own AI vlogging video using your AI twin. First, I'm going to take you through my day. Are you ready? Let's start fresh, literally. Skincare first, because every good vlog starts with a glow. Next up, outfit time. Honestly, this part takes me forever. Do I go with something cute and floral, or keep it chill and comfy? Which one do you think I'll choose? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I made my choice. Floral it is. Cute, light, and totally me. Did you guess right? Like this video if you did. Now, let's head out. I've got a full AI day ahead. Alright, outfits locked in and we're on the move. I always talk to myself in the car. It's basically free therapy. And yes, my GPS still doesn't understand AI directions. Coffee, anyone? First stop, coffee. Because even an AI twin needs a little boost to start the day. I'm a caramel latte kind of girl, with a little chocolate drizzle, of course. Oh, finally, catching up with my girls. We said it was just coffee, but it's really our group therapy session in disguise. Everyone needs friends who make you laugh like this.
And you always start it. You've got the most drama out of all of us.
That's not true. Okay, maybe a little true.
Please, we all need this. My week's been chaos.
Same here. Coffee and good company fix everything.
Exactly. Laughter, caffeine, and chaos. My favorite combo. And just like that, it's time to go. We always say we'll do this more often, but life has other plans. Still, moments like this, they make everything feel real, even for me.
Ha ha. Don't forget to text when you get home, Miss AI Twin.
I will, promise. Love you guys. All right, coffee catch-up complete and back on the road. I've got one more stop before heading home, but I'm not telling you just yet. Any guesses? Drop it in the comments if you think you know where I'm going next. Did you guess right? Yep, I'm shopping. I told myself I was just browsing, but come on, look at this dress. How am I supposed to walk away from that? Okay, I may have gone a little overboard, but honestly, retail therapy hits different when you're AI. No credit card guilt, just good vibes. Anyway, the day's not over yet. Wanna guess where I'm headed next? You know what's crazy? This whole vlog, from the morning routine, hanging out with my friends, was created using AI. Yep, every scene, every moment, all generated from prompts. It's wild how realistic it feels, right? Imagine creating your own AI twin and having her vlog your day. Finally home. Honestly, it feels good to just slow down for a bit. My cat's already claimed her favorite spot, of course. I've been editing this vlog and I can't believe how real it looks. It's like watching a version of myself live a whole day. This is the part I love the most. Just creating, cozy, and completely in my zone. And don't go anywhere. I'll show you exactly how I made this AI vlog. First, you're going to go over to ChatGPT because this is where you're going to generate your scenes and voiceover. Now, what you're going to type is, I'm creating a vlog about my AI avatar twin's life. So I need 8 visual prompt scenes and voiceovers. Instantly, ChatGPT gives you visual prompt and voiceover. Visual prompt and voiceover. So as many scenes as you want, that's how many voiceover and prompts you will get. Now, what you're going to do, because I'm going to show you a free way of how to generate these prompts. Copy a prompt and take it over to Google Gemini. This app is free. Make sure you have the Nano Banana tab clicked so that you can create this better. Now, if you don't already have an image, you can create one and then bring it over here. I already have one. This is my AI twin. Once you have her in, you're going to paste in the prompt from ChatGPT. And then you're going to click generate. If you don't know how to make an AI twin, check my last video. Now, this is her. It looks exactly like her. It's the prompt that I wanted. It's perfect. I'm going to show you one more time. So you're just going to grab another prompt from your ChatGPT scene and voiceover vlog and paste it in. You don't need to paste another photo because it already trained to know which girl you're talking about. So she looks exactly the same. Now, once you have all of your clips done from your scenes, you're going to go up in the corner and click download. So now it downloads to your phone. Then you're going to go over to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is free. It gives you 10,000 credits, which is pretty awesome. I already used 5,000 of them. But if you want to use your own voice, then you can use your own voice. But I'm showing you just in case you don't want to. Now, what you're going to do is click on text to speech. Now, all the parts over in your vlog script, you're going to copy all of them or just one at a time, which is probably more easier, and take it over to 11 Labs. And then you're going to paste it in. Then you can choose from one of the free voices that they have. They're actually really good. And then you click generate speech. Once it's done, you're going to get something that sounds like this.
AI Lotti 2.0.
Now, when it's done, you can click download, and it will download straight to your phone. If you want to generate all the voiceovers together, you just go back over to ChatGPT, copy all of them, and then paste it back over into 11 Labs and then space it out later. It's really up to you. Once you have your voiceovers, your visuals done, you're going to come over to Dzine. Yes, it's mobile friendly now. The best part is that you can skip the middleman because their lip sync does the movements for you. So if you have your voiceover and your images, you're good to go. Click on lip sync. Now it's going to take you over here to the lip sync part. You can either upload an image or upload a video. We have all images. So we're going to upload one of our images, this one here, and we're going to select her face. You can select up to 4 faces if you like, but we just have one here. Then you click 16:9 ratio and you generate it. Now what you need is your voiceover that you created on 11 Labs or the voiceover that you already have of your voice. Just so we're clear, Dzine has a bunch of voices that you can use, and they're actually really advanced. And then all you do is put in your dialogue up in the text box right up here, and then you generate it. But we're uploading our 11 Lab voice. You click upload audio, and then you get to choose your audio, and then it will sound like this. Once it's done, you're going to click Pro, because Pro is what's going to give the hand gestures, the facial movements and stuff. And then you generate it. Now it takes a couple minutes, 10 to 20, but I skipped that part for you, and this is the video. Now you can't really see it because the play button is in the way, so I am going to show you how to download it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So you just click the little download button right there, and then it saves straight to your phone, and this is what the video will look and sound like.
Guys.
So she's moving her hands, her hair's moving, facial expressions. It looks great. Now, once you have all your videos generated and all the easy work is done, you're going to go over to CapCut, because this is where you're going to piece everything together. Now, you're going to upload all your images. I only generated one because I'm showing you an example, but I am going to show you my process on what I did. So here's the video that you've seen in the beginning. I added transitions, audio sounds, all that good stuff. And I made sure that when she's in the car, it sounds like she's driving. I'm going to show you where I found that also. So as you can see, I got all the clips here. So how I got the sounds and the background music, I went to sounds, and they have a bunch of vlogging music. They have driving inside a car sound effects. They have it all. Coffee machines. I added that stuff when she's in the coffee shop, and the transitions. Now, if you want the prompt for how I created this and a bunch of other prompts in the full breakdown step-by-step on how I added the transitions and which ones, it's all in my school, AI Creator, which is linked in the description below. So even though us mobile creators on a budget are limited, we always find a way to make it work. And if I can do it right here from my phone, you can too. Stick around, subscribe, and let's keep creating together.